What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richie Mo back at it again with another video. Today we're doing a few things to the car, the Integra. Now I said I was gonna get it painted, but shout out to the homie. You know who you are, and I'm not gonna say until everything is done. But he offered a nice, sweet deal for me to get this car vinyl wrapped. So we're gonna be vinyl wrapping this car, and I'm gonna show you guys the colors and everything like that of the colors I'm thinking about wrapping this car. So the whole car is getting wrapped, not the camo shit. The whole car is getting wrapped. So we're gonna wrap that, and we're gonna start making this one look better and nicer. New wheels, everything's coming with the Integra. It's coming down. But before I go any further in the video, make sure you guys do one favor. Go to my website down below in this video, and on the video, it's gonna show it. Make sure you guys go pick up some merchandise. I got a lot of stuff. I got hats, I got hoodies, t-shirts, everything like that on the website. So make sure you guys go copy guys Motor Society gear, you know what I'm saying? So everything is going well. And also I want to thank everybody that's been participating by just buying my stuff, buying the Louvers, buying all the Motor Society stuff, buying all the decals. I appreciate you guys so much because you guys are helping my brand grow even bigger and bigger and bigger. So thank you once again. So we're going to be doing a few things. So on my car, I'm going to be redoing my Louvers, and then on my brother's car, he just got his second modification for his car. He's waiting for the big one. We're not going to tell you what it is. He ended up taking his Louvers off the rear shit windows. Hey, look at my little bro right there. Look at this black guy. Ooh, oh, no socks though. No ashy feet though. But anyways, we got the okay, I'm gonna flip the camera around. So what do you got right now? What's your second modification?
Well, I brought some Evo R carbon fiber door handles.
Ooh, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this nice and carboned up, and we're gonna show you the aftermath when we do it, put it on, and yeah, you know what I'm saying? He's got to go all carbon. And then like on my car over here, as you guys see, the beast, you dig? I actually have to redo these, so I'm basically taking off this, have to reseal this, buy some new better 3M, and I bought some glue. So I'm gonna take the louver off, wipe the windows real good, glue everything down, and reseal it because it's kind of loose, as you can see. Got to come off. But yeah. Hey Zon, you know, is there anything different in my car?
Nope.
You know, is there anything different in my car?
Oh, you got a bit of sticker on the side of it.
Ah, he's a smart black guy. But yeah, anyways, make sure you guys go cop, you guys, a Motor Society decals on my website right now. Going for like, I forgot how much. Just go on the goddamn website and go get you a Motor Society, represent my brand, you dig? But yeah. So let's get everything going. We're gonna work on his car, and then I'm gonna film my car next. So yeah. Or what you could do is just wipe the door down, and then I'm gonna take these little screws off. Then once you clean them, then we go from there. All right, y'all. So I took off the carbon fiber louvers, and if you guys always been asking me where do I buy my carbon fiber louvers, I sell them on my website. I got a partnership with the manufacturer, so make sure you guys go cop some because I have some available for the 350z's. But this is how it looks. The window is I never got the window tinted because I knew I was gonna have louvers on the cover. So this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wipe down the window, and then I'm gonna take off first I'm gonna take off all the old adhesive, old tape. Then I'm gonna wipe the windows down. A lot of these are already in place. So what I'm gonna do is the ones that's not coming up, I'm gonna leave them. The ones that's loose like this, what I'm gonna do is just re-put them down and go from there. So this, I'm basically gonna redo these and put some glue on them. This one is actually stuck, which is a good thing. This one is loose, so as long as this one is kind of stuck, so I'm not going to touch it. But the ones that's super loose like that, I'm going to actually reseal them. That one's already flat stuck. This one needs to be redone. This one is kind of loose, but it'll work because this side was super stuck. So let me get this part going. So on my brother's, what we're going to do on his, basically got the door handles. So I think this one is for the driver's side. Hey, my little bro got a decal banner. But anyways, let's do it like this. Oh yeah. Oops. This one's gonna go right over there, and that's gonna be just like that. So let's get this going. So I just put on the first one. Well, you made me want to get one for mine. Shit.
Oh yeah, we're doing.
So I take that nasty ass wrap and just get the carbon. But yes, see, you got the carbon there, and now you got the carbon here. Looks super sick. Oh, I'm gonna break my shit. But yep. So we got the carbon there for him. So let's do the other side. All right, just do this part. You just focus on the other one. So now it's time for us to do this side, and we're gonna get this carbon right now. Get it up accurately, you know, and then just boom. And there you go. Overlays are on. I'm about to buy one for my Z, because my shit is wrapped, and I don't like how the wrap look. But there he goes. Voila. This guy don't know how to do anything. Oh my gosh. It's the easiest thing to do. This guy don't never do shit. You gotta learn to do some shit, nigga. All right, so let me take this off. So now we got his door handles on. Looks nice. Sometimes the littlest things can make a big difference on your car. So we just did his. So now time for me to go work on my shit over here real quick. Let's get this window fixed. You can kind of get like more of a far shot.
Like this?
See, when I have blade, when you have the heat, it comes off easier.
Yeah.
Okay, I wish I had a blade. I'm gonna leave those ones because those ones are kind of loose, but this one's super solid stuck. All right, so now, see, I need a blade. Fuck. I have no blades on me. So right now, I am cleaning the windows. As you guys see, I got a lot of the residue off. My little brother went to go pick up some blades for me. So what I'm doing is, you want to make sure everything is clean. Oops. You want to make sure everything is clean. Make sure everything is clean, because if it's not clean, I'm going to go in there, but it's going to be covered. But if it's not clean, it won't stick right. So you want to make sure everything is clean. So I'm taking my time cleaning everything. I think I left that there because now I'm able to know where to put this one at. So I'm going to just put that over that. And yeah. So we do it. So this one is stuck. So I'm happy that one's there. And yeah. So now I just got to get this cleaned. The car is a mess right now, but after I'm done cleaning this, then we do the next process. All right, today's the next day. I forgot to record this last night, but the Louvers came out so much better, and I made them even neater and nicer this time. I actually gotta get my keys to move my cars. I got them parked so far in the street. So let me go get my key real quick. Yeah, I parked the cars all wrong. It's time for me to park them back. Let me move this car up, and I parked this on the street. All right, so finally came back, and these ones are actually more secure. So I redid it, and they came out even better. I cleaned it up. I even made it neater, because before I used to have 3M under here as well, but it kind of looked tacky. So basically cleaned it up, and it looks even better, and it actually sits much better on there. And this car, I'm thinking about doing something today. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking about taking this shit off and I'm thinking about vinyl wrapping this whole middle piece. So that's what I think I might do. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about the cars. They're looking so amazing. And I think on the next video, I'm gonna wrap the Integra side mirror, and I'm gonna wrap the wing. Even though I want to get a nicer wing, but for the time being, I might as well make that wing look better. So we got some things to do. See you on the next video.